My name is C. Ananthamma, working as a Physical Science CRT in KGBV Minority, Tadipatri. Good morning, children. How are you? Now I am going to explain matter around us. In our daily life, we observe so many things in our surroundings like chair, pen, book, brick, etc. All these are known as matter. Now I will explain about matter. Matter means anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is called as matter. Stone and water, they have mass and occupies space, so they are called as matter. Metals, non-metals, synthetic fibers, natural fibers, acids, bases, table, chair, pen, buildings, wood, human body, animal body, sand, rocks, oil, water, milk, all these are examples for matter. I will explain states of matter. Matter exists in three states. They are solids, liquids, and gases. Wood, plastic, metals, examples for solid state. Water, oil, milk are examples for liquids. Water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide are water can be found in all these three states. Now I will explain properties of solids, liquids and gases. Do solids have definite shape and fixed volume? Now I will conduct one activity. Take two solid objects like a pen and a book and put them in different containers. Do you find any change in their shape or volume? No, there is no change in shape and volume of the pen and floor and book. This activity shows that solids, they have definite shape and volume. Now I will explain another activity. Take a book or a pen, drop on the floor. It does not flow but remains rigid with a definite shape, distinct boundaries, and a fixed volume. From these two activities, solids have definite shape and a fixed volume. Now I will explain identifying the shape and volume of liquids. For doing this activity, we need a measuring jar and containers of different shapes, and also we need some liquids like water, oil and milk. Take some water in one of the containers using the measuring jar. Now observe the shape of water in the container. Now pour the same water in another container and Observe the shape. Repeat the process till complete pouring of water in all containers. What is the shape of the water in different containers? The shape of the water is different in different containers. Now I will explain another activity. For this activity, we need measuring jar and glass and water and milk and any oil. Now take 50 ml of water with the measuring jar and pour it in a glass. Mark the level of water on the glass and remove water from the glass. Now measure 50 ml of the milk with the measuring jar and pour it in the same glass. Mark the level of the milk on it. Are the level of water and milk same? Now remove the milk from the glass. Now pour oil into the glass up to the level marked for water. From this activity, we observed that the volume of the water, milk and oil have same volume. From these two activities, we observed two important properties. They are the shape of the liquid depends on the shape of the container. Second property, liquid takes different shapes depending on the shape of the container. Its volume remains same. Do the gases have a definite shape and a fixed volume? CNG gas means compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas filled in a cylinder is the best example, and also in our daily life experiences. We observed all gases neither have a fixed shape nor fixed volume. Today, in this class, we learned these important properties. First one, anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is called as matter. Matter exists in three states. They are solids, liquids, and gases. Water exists in all three states. Solids have a definite shape and a fixed volume. The shape of the liquid depends on the shape of the container and its volume remains same. All gases neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume. Okay children, stay home and stay safe.